One TV special report.
The request of Barangay Gala through its Barangay Chairman, Punong Barangay Ramil Elisa, for approval of the annual budget for 2026. The second request is for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjipitis, to open an interest-bearing current account named City Government Sanes SK OVO account at the Land Bank Sanes branch. The third present request is for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Atty. Samuel Manjipitis, to enter into and sign on behalf of the local government of Sanes City the memorandum of agreement with higher education institutions relative to the student internship in the city government of Sanes. Written request number 4, Honorable Chair, is for us to enact a resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjipitis, to enter into and sign on behalf of the local government of Sanes City the memorandum of agreement with the provincial government of Sanes Occidental relative to the end-use year and the expense of the one Ascension Occidental Provincial Ticket Association for 2026 Northern Mindanao Regional Ticket Association or NMR-MIT. The request number 5 is for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjipitis, to enter and sign on behalf of Sanes City the memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the supplementary feeding program. Written request number 6 is for us to enact an ordinance authorizing the temporary closure of Mayor Benjamin Administrative Avenue from 25 March to April 30, 2026. Written request number 7 is for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjipitis, to enter into and sign the memorandum of agreement with any qualified LGU employee for on behalf of the local government of Sanes for the grant of study leave. Last but not the least, written request number 8, the request of Barangay Estimation of Bodro for the approval of their 2026 annual budget in the amount of 5,407,160. These are the 8 proposed insertions or the request. I propose this motion to approve the agenda for the day with 8 insertions as enumerated on the
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 8 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We will now proceed to item number 7, letter C. Number 1 to number 6
Number 6.
are annual budgets for 2026 of 6 barangays, 50 district, Bongbong, Labo, Liposo, Pantaon, and Liguan. And here to the chairman of the Committee on Directors, Honorable D.C. Canlas, to endorse and action on these 6 items which are the annual budget of 6 barangays and motion.
The Honorable Canlas is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon. Madam Chair, I would like to request an omnibus motion, Madam Chair, for the 6 items. For item number 1, 2026 annual budget of Barangay 50th District in the amount of 4,000,000 950,697. Item number 2, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Bumbong, the amount of 6,422,743. Item number 3, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Labong, the amount of 7,767,644.34 pesos. Item number 4, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Pusan, the amount of 3,991,897 pesos. Item number 5, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Bataan, the amount of 4,091,941. And item number 6, 2026 annual budget of Barangay Guha, the amount of 4,466,866. I move that this item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 under petition request be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Clerk.
Motion approved on first reading with reservations. Motion.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Due to the urgency of the item 1 to 6 under petition or request, the 2026 annual budget of Barangay 50 District, Barangay Bumbong, Barangay Lapu, Barangay Puso, Barangay Bataan, Barangay Luar be approved on second and final reading by way of omnibus motion within the internal rules. Ongoing motion, Madam Chair.
Due to the urgency of this resolution, Honorable Nagas is passing this to the second and final reading, we will the internal rules for items number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Any comment, remarks, hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 7 of letter C of item number 7, letter dated March 16, 2026 from the Office of City Mayor requesting the approval of an ordinance authorizing the temporary closure of various roads in the territorial jurisdiction of San City for the live decision of the extension proposed by the San City Parish from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. on April 3, 2026. And I had to Chairman of the Committee on Traffic Management and Public Transportation, Honorable Archie Romero, to introduce the national on this item, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Romero is now recognized as the chair for the appropriate motion. For item number 7.
Number 7.
Item number 7.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass this little request. An ordinance authorizing temporary road closure of various road in territorial jurisdiction of Osana City in live dramatization of Stations of the Cross by Santa Teresita Parish from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. on April 3, 2026. Madam Chair, passing this for first reading, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. To ensure the flow of traffic and safety, Madam Chair, I move to pass this ordinance, Madam Chair, for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading. This letter dated March 16, 2026 from the Office of the City Mayor requesting the approval of an ordinance authorizing the temporary road closure of various roads on the territorial jurisdiction of Osamis City for the live dramatization of the Stations of the Cross by the Santa Teresita Parish from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. on April 3, 2026. Approve the second and final reading waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter D, Miscellaneous Communications under item number 7. Number 1, letter dated March 5, 2026 from Security Services Commission addressed to the office of city mayor for its intention to partner the city government of Quezon City and be part of the growing Sheikh Daskan. Honorable Sir, this proposal by the Security and Exchange Commission for the LGO Quezon to be a partner in the SICCAN or Security and Exchange Commission, communications, advocacy, and networks to for protection against scams. Sir, there are investment scams at present, which is in proliferation in our area, sir, and this seeks to protect us from this investment scam. However, this requires a MOA between the mayor and the SICCAN. In the meantime, while the mayor started acting on this request, I recommend that this letter dated March 5, 2026 be duly noted and recalled City Council.
Be duly noted, motion approved.
Thank you, Sir. There are no committee reports submitted. And item number 8. Item number 9, calendar business. Please proceed to letter C. Assigned business whereby we have 8 appropriations. I may proceed with the first appropriation. The request on Bagay Gala for the approval of the annual budget for 2026 in the amount of 3,677,540. And then to Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable Gigi Canlas, to endorse and recommend action on this item.
Honorable Canlas, you are now recognized by the chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. 2026 annual budget of Barangay Gala, the amount of 3,677,540. I move that this item be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Due to the urgency of this item, I move that this item be approved on second and final reading with internals. Motion, Madam Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Candas is passing this on the second and final reading. This annual budget of Barangay Gala in the amount of 3,677,540. Move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 2, resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Sam Manjivitis to open a non-interest bearing current account named City Government of Sanex SK OVOP account and the Land Bank of Sanex branch. Honorable Chair, I move contribution to approve this resolution on the first reading with distribution. Honorable Chair.
Move by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of this request resolution on the first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
In the interest of public service and to spouse and fiscal management, I move the motion to approve this resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Sam Manjivitis to open a non-interest bearing current account named City Government of Sanex SC OVOP account and the Land Bank of Sanex branch for approval in second and final reading, waiving the rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 3, a resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Sam Manjivitis to implement and sign on behalf of the local unit of San City the memorandum of agreement with higher education institutions relative to student internship in the City Government of Sanex. And I have to Chairman of the Committee on Education, Honorable Cecily Yoko, to endorse the recommendation of this item.
The Honorable Cecily is now recognized by the chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. So I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief, San Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of the local government unit of Osami City the Memorandum of Agreement with higher education institutions relative to student internship in the city government of Osamis for first reading with reservations.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Madam Chair, to enhance learning through practical in the government offices, I move to pass this resolution on its second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Cesar who is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 4, resolution authorizing the local secretary, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjiquintis into and sign on behalf of local government in San City, the memorandum of agreement with the provincial government of San Occidental relative to the LGU share in the expense of the one Ascension San Occidental Provincial Athletic Association for the 2026 Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association meet. And here to Chairman of Committee on Youth and Sports, Honorable John P. Lorenzo to address the national item.
The Honorable John Loydong is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution authorizing the local Chief Executive, Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of the local government unit of Osamis City the Memorandum of Agreement, MOA, with the provincial government of Osamis Occidental relative to the LGU's share in the expense of the One Ascension Osamis Occidental Provincial Athletic Association for the 2026 Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association and MRAA meet for first reading with reservation, Honorable Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the urgency and considering that this day are the closing and awarding ceremony of the NMRAA, I would like to pass this resolution into second and final reading, waiving the internal rules and joint motion, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Roy Lungsod is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 5, resolution authorizing the local secretary, Mayor Atty. Samuel Manjiquintis to enter into and sign on behalf of San City the memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the supplementary feeding program. And I have to Chairman of the Committee on Social Services and Community Development, Honorable Loretta Disciples for entering the national item.
The Honorable Lord Quintes Cypris is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer, and thanks to our Majority Floor Leader. I move to pass this resolution authorizing the local chief, San Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of Osamis City the Memorandum of Agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the supplementary feeding program for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the need of this feeding program, I hereby move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Lord Fuentes Cypris is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 6, an ordinance authorizing the temporary closure of Mayor Benjamin Alinas Quintes Avenue from 25 March 2026 until 30 April 2026. And I have to Chairman Committee on Traffic President Public Expedition, Honorable Ashley Minuto, address the national item.
Honorable Romero is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass this request, an ordinance authorizing the temporary road closure of Mayor Benjamin Alinas Quintes Avenue from 25 March 2026 until 30 April 2026, Madam Chair. Passing this for first reading with
Move for
reservation.
first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The temporary closure of Mayor Benjamin Alinas Quintes Avenue, Madam Chair, is essential to to ensure the smooth flow of traffic and safety, Madam Chair. With this, Madam Chair, I move to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request ordinance, the Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading. This ordinance authorizing the temporary road closure of Mayor Benjamin Alinas Fuentes Avenue from March 25 to April 30, 2026. Move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 7. A resolution authorizing the local executive, Mayor Atty. Roman G. Fuentes to enter and consign the memorandum of agreement with any qualified agent employee for and on behalf of the local government of Samis for the grant of study leave. And I have to Chairman of Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lord Participants to endorse the national item, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Lord Cypris is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to enter and sign the memorandum of agreement with any qualified LGU employee for and on behalf of the local government of Osamis for the grant of study leave. For first reading, Madam Chair, with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the need of this resolution, Madam Chair, I hereby move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Cypris is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing the motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last but not the least, appropriation number 8, the request of Barangay Isis Abudo for approval of the annual budget for 2026 in amount of 5,407,186 pesos. And I have to Chairman of Committee on Body Affairs, Honorable D.G. Canlas, to endorse and termination sa item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Canlas is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you again, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. The 2026 annual budget of Barangay Stimson Abudo in the amount of 5,407,156. I move that this item be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the urgency of this item, Madam Chair, the 2036 annual budget of Barangay Stimson Abudo, I move that this item be approved on second reading. Second and final reading, we will good motion, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Due to the urgency of this resolution, Honorable Canlas is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. The approval of the annual budget 2026 in the amount of 5,407,186 of Barangay Stimson Abudo. Move for first, second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comments, remarks, hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, we have special release on present matters from Honorable Catherine Silim, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the chairperson PCL.
None as of this moment, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Noted by the chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We also have the privilege and pleasure to hear the matter from Honorable John Pedro Alonso, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Waylon, you are now recognized by the chair for some SK matters.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officers. For SK matters, I'd like to inform this August body that last March 18, this representation attended the Zoom meeting of the National Youth Commission as a member of the SK Regional Task Force in Region 10. And next, on March 25, we will be having our first partner meeting with the Local Youth Development Council to tackle about the following. The first, the introduction of the new set of LYDC members. Second is the formulation of the Osamis City LYDP for the year 2026-2029. Third, is the adoption and approval of the LYDP. And on March 27, the Osamis City will be hosting the third monthly meeting of the SK Federation President of the Misamis Occidental here in our city. And lastly, Madam Chair, the updates of the NMRA today is the awarding and closing program of the NMRA 2026 held at the Malagay City, Bukidnon. And again, back-to-back champion, the one Ascenso Misamis Occidental maoy nakapag-usap as the overall champion sa NMRA 2026. So, if I'm not mistaken, last year, that was also the first successfully in the province of na proclaim as the overall champion. And now, back-to-back, na po the overall champion. And I'd like to specify sa kuha ng medal sa tuwang athletes dito sa Misamis Occidental. For elementary level, Madam Chair, ang rank number 1 is the province of Bukidnon for elementary. Doon ay gold medal 35. Second is the Misamis Oriental with 30 medals. Third is the one Ascenso of 27 gold medals elementary. For the secondary is the rank number 1 ang one Ascenso Misamis Occidental with 64 gold medals. Second, Iligan City, 37 gold medals. Third is Cagayan City with 36 gold medals. And with the overall tally, Madam Chair, rank number 1 overall is one Ascenso Misamis Occidental, nakakuha ng 91 gold medals. Second is the province of Bukidnon, 67 gold medals. Third is ang Misamis Oriental, 62 gold medals. And with that, Madam Chair, I'd like to inform this August body that for Osamis City athletes, we have a 25 we have 20 gold medals for Osamis City, silver 12 and bronze 30, total of 45 medals na nakuha for Osamis City. But of course, we one Ascenso Misamis Occidental. And with regards to that, Madam Chair, I think also our athletes in the entire province are very happy, especially katong mga naka-receive medals from gold, silver, and bronze. Kay as per set of naghimo sa provincial government headed by Governor Henry Waminal, the katong dunay gold medals nga mga best of athletes maka-receive of 75,000, and ang katong dunay silver medal will receive 40,000, and 30,000 pesos for mga athletes na dunay bronze medal. And kasagaran sa mga athletes is ang uban sa usa ka athlete may duha o tulo ka medals kay lahi ng category. And same sa mga anak sa staff din ng City Council, si Ma'am Loansing, iyan isa ka lalaki, babae, lalaki, nakakuha o tulo ka medals sa Lord Chair. And our EDCOM Chair, maduna pa i-add with regards on the usay gibuhat sa DepEd during sa NMRA na nag-start opening March 19 up to March today, ang closing March 24, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Duhay Lomson, of your report. May we also hear from our DepEd Committee Chair, Honorable Cecil Kung, for some additional information.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So, isumpay na lang din ako sa report ni Honorable Jantel Duhay Lungsod with Osamis garnering 20 golds, 12 silvers and 13 bronzes. Ang sa 20 ka gold ana, 7 ka gold maoy na daugan sa ato ang duha ka city councilor regular employee, unong kang Ma'am Kay, usa kang Ma'am Claire. So with that, we are so happy to note that sa one is off, ang usapis I think ang pinakadaghan o medals nga nakuha. So totally 45 medals out of 266 medals total nakuha sa one miss off. So with the results nga overwhelming because our PSDS was only expecting a total number of medals to expect, no? 135 ra ang iyahang estimated nga makuha nato as one miss off team because last year 95 medals naman atong nakuha. So we were aiming for 135 medals only, but with the result today, we had 266 medals. So siguro, Madam Chair, for Osamis na katong naka-gold, we would like to award them as our expression of congratulating them. We will be we'll be presenting the athletes with gold awards, gold medals, a resolution of congratulations. Thank you, Madam Chair. The details of the games, the details of the awards is not yet complete. So we will just wait, Madam Chair, kung unsa tong mga sports ta nag-excel. I think sure na to ang swimming, and then I also heard we had one taekwondo elementary level.
Thank you for that very nice report, Honorable Ko. Be it known that Misamis Occidental really excel, no, in the performance of our athletes. It was because of the strong support of our very good Governor Henry Iswaminal. Palakpakan na to sabi. Grabe, magod kayo ang iyong suporta, the moral and financial support to our athletes. Musa, kung kayo sila, kanang ganado ba kayo ba? Imagine nga, kung maka-gold medal ka, pala ito madawat nila from the province. 75,000. So I think there is, it is but fitting for us to express also our deep appreciation to our Honorable Governor, no? With this kind of support, yung pati sila dito sa Bukidnon, we were able to kuan kanang chika-chika ba sa uban pong mga kuan dito kanini ang mga nagdalapos mga athletes ba, yung pa sila nga one of its kind kuno ang atong gobernador. Grabe kuno kaayo ang iyang suporta. Nakita gyud di ay sa performance sa atong mga athletes. Wala masayang, no, wala masayang ang grabing suporta sa atong halangdon nga gobernador and the other board member, I think, and tanan nga mga provincial and city officials who were really there. Naagyo dito, nagpakita sa ilang moral and financial support sa ato mga athletes. Sa ganado kaayo ang ato mga athletes kay they have been properly recognized and properly supported. So ingon ana gyud mo na nga makita nato ang taas kaayo nga saka sa atong rating. Kaya sa una kuha man taga ubos man ta kaayo, no, but this time no, we really excel. Palakpakan kuno nato be ang atong halangdon nga governor and the rest of the members sa atong mga provincial and city officials. So salamat kayo, and I would like also to acknowledge our city officials who were there gikan sa opening hantod gyud sa closing. I would like to recognize, no, our majority floor leader nga naa gyud dito na ang gawa gyud mo bulag hangtod till the end. Honorable Duhailong, Honorable Cecil Ko,
Taman sa pag-close
and
sa governance na yun.
isa pa. John Sakin, dito,
John Sakin,
John Sakin, okay.
Ate Ramiro.
Anyway, ang uban have some other agenda, no? What is most important, basta nga nao dito, we saw your body and soul, no? Especially during the opening of the activity. I saw your body and soul, you were there. Salamat kayo kay ang inyong presensya dito nakahatag dugang moral support sa ato mga athletes. Lipay kayo sila dito, no? Okay. So, I hope next time kita nagyapon mo, Wixel.
I have only one question, Honorable Chair.
Yes?
I have one question to Honorable Janpin or to Honorable Cook.
Oh.
I heard there was a target, no? Have we broken the accident record in IMRA historical record sa number of medals ato number na break record sa una sa murag ang holder sa record murag Cagayan City ito nga number of medals pero ato man na break ang record sa
Yes.
sa history sa IMRA sa Miss Ok.
Okay, bitaw, no? Na-break it ang record. Honorable Budget Floor Leader, I would like also to request, no, as soon as we get the complete listing katong nga kadaog tanan, may I request from Honorable Duhay Longson and Honorable Cecil Ko nga to get all their names bitaw katong mga awardees so that we can also
Hindi ko dili pala ibilabo lang ang sir.
certificate
Litero na lang, ano ba sir?
Ha?
Litero na lang.
Yes.
Mura na break ang record eh.
I am just requesting next time siguro as soon as you get a complete listing katong mga individuals nato nga mga excellent kaning performer so that we can also give them a due recognition by certificate of recognition na lang, no? So care of
Is medals obtained during the IMRA. Ang isang record.
Thank you, Honorable Chair and Honorable Majority Floor Leader. As of this moment, we don't have wala kami nakakuha og record data about sa query ni Honorable Mars Tapayan, but I think the EDCOM Chair will add based on our googling na nagpalaban mi on the initial data with regards to the nindot nga question query ni Attorney Mars Tapayan, Honorable Chair.
okay, Honorable
Ano po sir, nato
Do you
igiso
have
si
data there?
Estes Manuel nga ang record sa una base mabreak sa one na Miss Ok karon.
Okay, very good.
I think na-break kay daka ito midas. Surpass sa itong expected na midas.
Honorable Kodo, you have a partial report?
Yes, Madam Chair. Last year, Misamis Occidental was also the overall champion with 94 gold medals and wala may silver and but this year the Juan Ascenso Misamis Occidental is again the overall champion with a total number of 266 medals. And last year, pila to ka medals last year total? Walay
Karon mas daghan
information.
yun.
Mas daghan og
Medals.
medals, including the silver and the bronze. This year, ang 266 a total of 230 medals last year during the 2025 NMRA. But this year, we had a total of 266.
So,
So
that
we-
is an increase of 36.
Yes, yes. Madam
230,
Chair.
266, okay.
Yes, Madam Chair. That
Okay,
is
very
all,
good.
Madam Chair.
We have to congratulate all our players, no, athletes for their super performance.
Honorable Sir, I will go with my question. That was answered. Anyway, for next season na lang.
Yes,
Kasi
oo.
ma-verify na. We'll proceed to...
As soon as we get, yeah, excuse me, as soon as we get the final listing, no, for due recognition, next meeting, assignment na ni Honorable Wailongson and Honorable Po.
Yes, Honorable Chair, we will do our best with my adopted mother, EDCOM Chair, Honorable Cecil Co, to answer the query of our Majority Floor Leader, Attorney Mars Kapayan, because in total medals, mas daghan taron. Pero sa na-mention with Attorney Mars and SDS Manuel, nga target manggod nga ma-break ang kining ang kadaghanon ba so sa medal, so at we will try to reach out and we will report into the next
Okay.
session, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Wailongson. Yes, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. On that note, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matter from Honorable Gigi Canlas, Honorable Sir.
Honorable Canlas, you have now the
Thank
floor.
you, Madam Chair. For EDC matters, Madam Chair, as of now, none, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. May we now have pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indictment report from Honorable Decision, Honorable Sir.
Honorable Suizo for some IPMR matters.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, for the IP matters. This representation received a letter from the Office of the Vice Mayor regarding with respect to the request of the chieftain of the Sabanan tribe, Relinda Bation, to meddle in the clarification of issues surrounding the indigenous people's concern. Now, this representation shall reply to the request of the Vice Mayor and its willingness to discuss this matter, including the inclusions of all the stakeholders, IP leaders, and CIP personnel, and hoping that this will be cleared, the doubts, or settled that needs to be settled. And
The soonest.
with this issue also, Madam Chair, requesting that this will be scheduled as soon as possible. Thank you very much, Madam
ASAP.
Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Suizo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to the last item, I yield to my colleagues for any other important announcement or any relevant information which the wish to be important before it's also body, Honorable Chair.
Yes, any other matters from this August body to be treated?
I guess there is none, so I now proceed to my most important task. I move to adjourn the negotiation, Honorable Chair.
Session is adjourned.